So today I'm here to do like a full olive brown on myself. I'm going to start off by moisturizing my face using the Nigerian soft moisturizer. Just to get a few.
So at this point, guys, I'll just be applying the moisturizer all over my face and further blend with my hands. Now, moisturizing your skin is very, very important if you want a flawless and dewy makeup. You can't skip this part at all. Like, it's very important. It's as important as your primer. Okay.
I'm using the Pond's Lasting Oil Control.
And I'll be applying this on my brows, my forehead, my chin, and just all the areas where I tend to shine. Like during the oil tend to come through in these areas, so I want to mattify it down, make sure everything stays perfect during the day. So I'll just blend this with my hands. I like to work with my hands because I feel like I get the product into my skin better than when I use a brush, but I'll still use a brush to just clear out any crumbs that I have on my skin so that my foundation can lay down perfectly. So I'm going to go ahead to do my brows, and I'll be applying just a little bit of foundation around my brow area and setting it with the Milani Mineral Compact Powder. This process just helps my brow pop even more.
And the brush to sort of tone my brows. I learned this trick from Lydia Stanley here on YouTube. Guys, I already have a detailed brow tutorial here on this channel, so I'll leave the link below for you guys to go and watch it.
So I like my concealer under my brows and the one in my lid to be like the same color. So I'm going to go ahead to blend all this concealer down. Then after that, I'll be going in with the CIARA eyeshadow primer to prep my lid for eyeshadow. Now using this color called Cote d'Ivoire from the JUVIA'S Place Afrique eyeshadow palette, I'll be packing on that blue on my lid. I'm using a stiff brush from Bobbi Brown. I'm just trying to wing it out because I really want this look to be intense, and so yeah. And I'll be using that blue, light blue from the House of Tara Margaret Egbo palette to blend out the edges of the first color because we don't want any harsh lines, and I'm just taking my time to blend in a circular motion until I'm satisfied with it. And I'm using this Milani Mineral Compact Powder to just set the concealer right up under my brows so that any color I'll put there will blend seamlessly into each other. I learned this trick also from I think Tiffany. She's also a YouTuber here. She does makeup and hair too. Her videos are awesome. I'm using that same yellow from the same palette and I'll be mixing it with the yellow shade from the Margaret Ekpo palette, and I'm just winging it out and bringing it down, and I'm also blending these two colors together. Now to cut my crease, I'll be using this concealer from Zaron Cosmetics and my angled brush. I'm just drawing everything down, and I'll be applying that yellow shade first, and I'll be following that up with the red color from House of Tara Margaret Ekpo palette. And I thought that these colors weren't as pigmented as I wanted it, so I had to go in with some pigment that I got from Supro Cosmetics. Just blending the blue into the red. Yeah, that's the Supro Cosmetics pigment. That yellow isn't looking like yellow anymore. I think it's looking more like lemon or something, but that's the closest to yellow they have in their pigment stack. And I'm going to use the red pigment also, just to top it up just a little. And I'm blending all the colors, like I'm removing them from my skin literally. I'm going in with my liquid liner from House of Tara, and I'm using the Let Me mascara from Zaron Cosmetics to just separate my lashes. And yeah, I'm using these lashes from Wing Lashes. They're on Instagram. This is in the style called Give Them. I love these lashes, they're so pretty. So off camera, I already did my foundation and contouring routine. Like, I don't want this video to be like super long and boring, so I'm mimicking the same color I have on my crease. I'm just doing the same process on my under eye, so they both can sort of complement each other. And I'm just blending everything together. And I wanted to make this look even more intense, so I went in with a blue pigment from the Super Cosmetics pigment stack as a liner on top of my lashes, and I'm using the green to further cut that crease, just to make this eyes pop even more. Like, I totally love how this look came together, you guys. It's just amazing. And now to blend all these powders off my face, I'll be using the Milani Mineral Compact Powder to blend and make my face be looking snatched. For that extra glow, I'll be applying some of that on my brow bone just to make everything snatched. I'll be using this black liner for my waterline and mascara from Zara Cosmetics just to separate my bottom lashes. Now to highlight the bridge of my nose, guys, I love this highlighter. It's from Younger Beauty. This one is their Candid Glow in Bulkish. For my lips, now my favorite part, guys. I love this lip pencil so much. Like, I use it almost every time. Like, it's my go-to lip liner pencil. I'm basically overlining my lips right here. Like, I don't usually do this, but I love how it makes my lips look beautiful. That's Zara Cosmetic matte lipstick. It's called Tease. It's so beautiful. It's like, I don't know, I think every woman of color needs this lipstick in their collection. Like, so beautiful. I'm further lining my lips with the same lip liner, and I'll be going over this with my favorite lip gloss. And that completes the look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below and share this video with your friends. Please share this video and don't forget to subscribe and join this family. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye, guys.